How to turn off email notifications from Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings. From the account information section, click on notifications, and then click on by email, which is the second option, in which you will be able to pick and choose which notifications you will get from the Pinterest app on your email. And to turn off the notifications and disable them, all what you need to do is deselect or unselect some options, or you can turn the notifications off altogether by clicking on the button at the top and then clicking turn off all to confirm. And this way you will stop all the notifications of Pinterest on your Gmail. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off the email notifications from Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.